Chicago's Loop is well known for its impressive restaurants, huge corporate towers, parks, and museums. To live here in the hustle and bustle would be too hectic for most, but just a few blocks away is a quiet refuge where one can live in relative peace and quiet and still be steps away from the metropolis. Yes, I am talking about Lakeshore East. This is what it's like to live here. Can you hear that? Exactly. Look how peaceful this is. Lakeshore East Park is your backyard if you're living at Coast.
We've got some fresh new young talent doing some things that I know you haven't heard before.
1, 2, 3.
So many people are moving to Chicago, but few know how to live Chicago. With all the new construction happening, you deserve the inside scoop on Chicago's booming housing market. You deserve to live it up. My name is Stephanie Spenner, and as an apartment broker, I know the city like the back of my hand. So what are you waiting for? Let our city become your city. Live shy. Designed by BKL Architecture and developed by Magellan Development Group in 2013, Coast is the newest development of Lakeshore East neighborhood, offering true coastal living lined by the east branch of the river and Lake Michigan. Coast features 46 stories and 515 apartments, from studios and convertibles to 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartment homes for rent, where nearly every apartment has a balcony and water views. Your morning routine at Coast starts with an awe-inspiring view of the city as you roll out of bed and have your cup of coffee on one of the many large balconies that are offered here. With city views of Navy Pier and the Tribune, the fitness center at Coast motivates you to get in there any hour of the day. It is 24 hours after all. They even have a Stairmaster and a squat rack. Don't forget to roll out. Chi-Town Trainers offers complimentary yoga and HIIT classes twice a week. Did you know that you get an extra deep detox if you get a sweat session before you hit the sauna? Yes, Coast has one of those too, as well as a steam room. The heated pool is even long enough for laps and the perfect summer oasis. Everything. The Riverwalk allows you to feel tranquil within the hustle and bustle, with many artistic distractions and walk-up bars along the way. Whether you are walking or running, biking or kayaking, or taking the water taxi, you can admire the city's architectural wonders day and night. Coast at Lakeshore East is one of only 6 residential communities connected to the pedway. Follow along. The pedway stretches 5 miles along 40 blocks from east to west, connecting over 50 different buildings as well as the CTA red and blue line. Stretching 6 acres right off of Lake Michigan, Lakeshore East Park offers lush gardens throughout with these little surprises along the way. I'll show you the private dog area over here. We can actually let your dogs off the leash, as well as the children's play area in the back with the big spring water fountain in the middle for extra hot summer days. Stretching 6 acres right off of Lake Michigan, you have the lush gardens throughout the entire Lakeshore East Park with little surprises along the way, like these cute lit water features lining 2 of the walkways into the park, offering quite the ambience, especially at night. A private dog park area where you can actually let your dogs off their leashes, sunny spaces to sunbathe, and shaded areas where you can read a book or enjoy a peaceful lunch. There's even a gated children's park featuring a spray fountain in the center for extra hot summer days. They even have small neighborhood pop-up concerts some nights throughout the summer in the middle of the park. This botanical urban park has won several awards, including the prestigious American Institute of Architects Planned Community Award. Just up these stairs, you have Millennium Park and Maggie Daley Park, which I'll tell you about more next.
I got juice boxes for days, beating to the yellow with the purplish haze. It's cold on the side where there's no one to hold. Feels so I assume the moon do. I got questions for the man who wrote Revelation.
Welcome to Cancer Survivors Garden.
No, they say to try it. No, 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 no. Say you love me. Okay. Thank you, I appreciate it. You know it's okay for you to go.
Here we have the infamous ice ribbon of Maggie Daley Park, where kids ride in the summer and they fill it up with ice in the winter.
I wish I could take my advice. Climbing up the wall, searching in the dark. Love is out of reach, always ends before it starts. I know I think too much, but right now I'm just thirsty. So hug me up a good time, I'll be gone before the...
This silver ribbon-like bridge connects Maggie Daley and Millennium Park.
Feels how I assume the mood do. They say try it, you might like it. I got dumb good taste, I don't need another nibble to figure the odds of something so familiar. I'm my own rich man, catch me if you can, but I bet that you won't. I just want a man, not a murder, she wrote. I heard it was playing in the tank in the notes. Where's my lotion? Lost in my lotion. Climbing up the wall, searching in the dark. Love is out of reach, always ends before it starts. I know I think too much, but right now I'm just thirsty. So hug me up a good time, I'll be gone before the morning. It feels how I assume the mood do. Feels how I assume the mood do. Feels how I assume the mood do. It feels how I assume the mood do. Oh wait, I'm supposed to go.
As you can probably tell, I love Lakeshore East, so much so I wrote a poem about it. You keep us warm, cool, and dry through the 2 seasons of Chicago. With the bustling botanical bliss and birds singing, children playing, and dogs wagging their tails with happiness. True tranquility. I start my day here with gratitude. Grateful for the refreshing lunch breaks and weekend picnics, serenaded by the sound of 1,000 different cultures. You make Chicago the most vertical city on earth.